Yo guys, today we're gonna be talking about how to archive reels on Instagram. So let's get to it. First, as you see, I have one reel and it's on my post and on my reel. So to archive our reels, we gotta enter to the reel and click on the three buttons here and then click on manage and then archive here in the bottom and archive. You can also click on the three bottom and save to the camera roll. So if you want to repost it again and then delete the reels from everywhere. So this is the two option you can do. So guys, thanks for watching and subscribe for any new upcoming videos.